So today we're going to look at how you can utilise our mapping platform to search for planning applications. You can also search planning applications on the platform itself, but this is another way in which you can do it. So we're going to run you through how you can do that search on the mapping platform. So first, the map loads up and you have the ownership boundaries layer, so we're going to turn that layer off to begin with. And then we're going to head to the search icon over here, and there's planning search. Now this is the main search tool where you can really utilise the planning opportunities and cite your keywords, your excluded keywords, your included keywords. You can also use our presets. We have a lot of presets which will autofill included and excluded keywords for you. We also have the opportunity to filter by application start date, status of the application, and also the size of the application. So if we just quickly dive in here, if we first show how you can add included keywords, you want to search your term, words, letters, etc. You want to just type it in and say HMO, and then once you're done, either the phrase or the word, you just press enter, and it'll add that to the list. So you can also do a multi-word search. For example, let's see, I'll just put test multiple words, and you can see that's added that phrase to the search. If you want to then delete a search or a word or a phrase, from the search, you just press the X, like so. And then to use our presets, you can just select a preset like this, and you'll see residential, all of our keywords that we include for residential opportunity search, and all the excluded keywords. You can then go in here and select your start date, and you can set your max and min, so the start date lies between those dates. You can then set the status of the application, so if you want it to be permitted, undecided, unresolved, controlling, conditions, preferred, rejected, and also the size, so small, medium, large, and non-applicable. Once you've created the filters you want to create, you then just press search, and you'll see that this then gets planning search then gets added up here as a planning layer. And from here you can then just browse the map, and the applications will load as you scale the map, so you don't need to be location specific when you make the search. You can scroll the map and browse as you like, and then as you zoom in, the markers will become more distributed. If you zoom into around this level and the markers still have multiple numbers, it just means there's multiple applications being made on that location. So for example, where there's 2 here, you can see you can just click through them easily like that, and view the data for that application. And then if you're wanting to view that application, all you do is simply click go to planning application, and then it will take you straight to the council website of that application. You can go through the documents, etc. As you wish. So that's a brief overview of how to use the planning search. If we want to remove the planning search and continue using different layers in the map, you simply just press this delete button up here. But if you also want to go back and update your search, you can press edit, and it will open up the tab here, so you can edit your planning search easily like that. And then you just press delete like so, and that will then take the planning layer away from the map and allow you to continue on using the application.